Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the most colorful world where every drawing becomes a story. And every color brings a hero to life in the most exciting way. Today we're diving into a super-powered adventure filled with bravery, laughter, and creativity, as we draw and color some of the most famous heroes from the Marvel Universe. From armored geniuses and super soldiers to web slingers and mighty gods, each character will appear before your eyes with bold lines and bright colors that make them feel alive. So get your pencils ready, your markers set, and please like and subscribe to my channel to help me grow and bring even more fun drawing adventures your way. We begin with the brilliant and powerful Iron Man, carefully sketching his sleek metal armor that covers every inch of his heroic form. Each curve of his helmet and plate of his suit is drawn with precision, showing the strong design and technology that make him a symbol of courage and intelligence. We start by filling his shining armor with a deep metallic red, blending it with rich golden yellow tones that make him look fierce and futuristic. Adding soft highlights of light gray and orange reflections makes Iron Man glow like he's powered up and ready to take flight right off the page. Next comes the fearless leader, Captain America, with his strong stance and perfectly round shield that stands as a symbol of hope and protection. We draw his confident face, sturdy boots, and detailed suit, making sure every star, stripe, and belt buckle looks heroic and powerful. We fill his uniform with a bright blue, then add bold red gloves and boots and pure white stripes to complete the patriotic colors of his costume. Finally, his shield shines in metallic red, silver, and blue, looking like it's ready to block any danger that comes his way. Now we move to the funny and fearless Deadpool, sketching his athletic body covered in tight gear and two sharp swords across his back. His expressive mask with its wide eyes gives him that mischievous look that fans love, making him both heroic and hilarious. We color his suit in a bold, deep red, adding black around his shoulders, mask, and gloves to capture his stealthy yet wild style. A touch of metallic gray for his swords and a few highlights bring his entire look to life with action-packed energy. Next is the mighty Thor, god of thunder, standing tall with his powerful hammer, Mjolnir, gripped tightly in his hand. We draw his flowing hair, winged helmet, and his long red cape blowing behind him like a true warrior ready for battle. His armor shines with silver-gray tones, while his cape bursts with a bold, deep red, glowing with divine strength. Touches of blue and brown around his outfit add depth and make him look like he's standing in the heart of a storm. Now we draw the lovable Groot with his tall, tree-like body full of twisting bark patterns and kind, gentle eyes. Each curve and crack of his wooden form is drawn carefully to show his natural strength and friendly personality. We fill him with warm brown shades mixed with lighter beige and soft green highlights that make him look alive and full of forest energy. His eyes are colored a dark, glossy brown, giving him that adorable spark that everyone loves about him. Here comes the powerful Hulk with his massive body, bulging muscles, and roaring expression that shows his unstoppable strength. We sketch his fists tightly clenched in his torn pants, giving the drawing a sense of wild energy and motion. We add purple to his shorts and darker shadows along his arms and chest, making him look fierce and larger than life. His entire body is colored in a strong, glowing green, blending light and dark shades to show his powerful muscles. Iron Man returns again, but this time in an even more dynamic pose, as if he's blasting off with his repulsors glowing bright. We draw his extended arms, tilted helmet, and detailed armor plates to show the motion and power of flight. His armor once again glows in red and gold, but this time we add extra light blue in his chest arc reactor and hands for the energy effect. With soft shading around his legs and arms, he looks like he's soaring through the air with incredible force. Now comes the amazing Spider-Man, crouched and ready to swing into action with his web shooters aimed straight ahead. We highlight the eyes with pure white and add a bit of shadow under his body to make him pop from the page. His suit bursts with classic red and blue, with black web lines adding perfect contrast to his dynamic pose. We sketch his lean figure, big white eyes, and the iconic web pattern stretching across his suit. Now we draw Thor again, this time in his blue outfit, standing proud and heroic as lightning flashes behind him. We make sure to draw his cape flowing wide, his hammer raised, and his expression filled with bravery and strength. This Thor's armor shines in a beautiful deep blue, matched with silver gray plates and a rich red cape flowing behind him. Touches of yellow lightning around his hammer make him look powerful and godlike, glowing with thunder energy. Finally, we finish with the fierce Wolverine, claws out and ready for action with his sharp, wild expression. We sketch his pointed mask, muscular arms, and famous claws that glint with power and precision. His costume shines with bright yellow, blue, and black, showing his strong and iconic comic book look. We add metallic gray to his claws and soft shading to his muscles to make him look fierce, fearless, and ready to fight. And that brings us to the end of this heroic adventure here on Zoonitoons, where we brought Iron Man, Captain America, Deadpool, Thor, Groot, Hulk, and more to colorful life. Every stroke of color turned into action. Every line became part of a story filled with courage, laughter, and power. Our page now shines with red, blue, gold, green, and silver, a rainbow of heroes that makes this journey unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Zoonitoons for more fun drawing and coloring adventures with your favorite superheroes.